Hey everybody, how's it going? Today we're going to be taking a look at Trifecta Tuning for GMC Canyons and Chevy Colorados. So Trifecta has become one of the most well-known tuners for the second-gen Colorado and Canyon market. They have a couple different offerings for the 3.6 liter V6 motor as well as the 2.5 liter. So today we're going to be taking a look at just what's involved in tuning your vehicle by Trifecta, seeing what kind of gains we get from them, and then go from there. So when you order a tune from Trifecta, they hook you up with this cable that hooks into your ODB2 port right here. And then it connects to your computer via USB, just like that. And everything's done from your computer in the program that they have you download on their website. They send you the tune files through their secure website where you create a user ID and password, and you can download them directly off of their website onto your computer, and then using their software, you use this cable and you flash it to the truck. It's a really easy process. So thanks again for Trifecta for tuning my vehicle for this video today. Big shout out to them. Please visit their website, check out what they have to offer. And if you're curious, they don't just tune Chevy Colorados and GMC Canyons, they also tune an assortment of other GM vehicles that's all available on their website. Be sure to check that out as well. So to download the Easy Flash software, you need to make an account on the Trifecta website and then go to the Downloads tab. There will be a link in the Downloads tab to the Easy Flash software where you save it to your computer and then run it as an executable file. Now, depending on your computer, it may say Windows is trying to protect your PC. Just go ahead and run it, it's safe. Click through all of the prompts to install the software on your computer, and then you are good to go with the Easy Flash software. It's a pretty small file size, just about 11 megabytes, so it shouldn't take up a whole lot of room on your computer. After you finish installing the software, go ahead and restart your computer, and then we can move on to the next step. With the flash cable plugged into your vehicle and plugged into your computer, turn your key to the run position but don't turn your vehicle on. On the software, click the Vehicle Info tab, then click Show Module Information. Then it will prompt you to click the Start button after it detects your vehicle. Once your vehicle is detected, you click that Start button and another screen will appear showing the security information for your vehicle's ECM. Take a screenshot of your security number and that's what you send to Trifecta. This is required for 2017 plus vehicles. After you've received the tune file from Trifecta, it's a .trtx file. You can open up that file and the software will automatically open up. Hit the Trifecta logo in the center of the screen and connect your flash cable to your vehicle. Follow the menu prompts. Once the file opens, click the Custom Trifecta Tune, verify your VIN number, click Accept, enable the transparency option. This just makes sure that the dealership doesn't see that you've actually tuned your vehicle. Click the box next to Enable Transparency and then click Accept once more. And now the tune file will load onto your vehicle. It should only take several minutes. I have this sped up about 8 times as fast. Just let it do its thing. It doesn't take that long. After a couple minutes, it'll say it's complete. Click the OK button and you're done, ready to go for a drive. Once again, I'd like to thank our sponsor Trifecta Tuning for the opportunity to make this video. They have offerings for the 2.5 liter, the 3.6 liter for the Chevy Colorados and GMC Canyons. This is basically the entire year lineup 2015 to 2021. The 2.5 liter, they have 2 tune options, the Advantage and the Advantage Plus. And for the 3.6 liter V6 motors, they have 3 tune options. These packages are called Advantage, Advantage Plus, and Elite. The difference in price is a couple $100 between the 3, but there's different options built into each package. The Advantage package is for 100% stock vehicles. This is their least expensive option, but it still gives you the advantages of the increased performance that the other packages offer as well. But this won't let you do as much customizing as the other ones. With the Advantage Plus package, you gain the ability to customize for tire size. They include an added parameter in your tune file that readjusts the speedometer so that it is now accurate with the larger tires that you have on your vehicle. This is helpful if you're running a lift with larger tires that are different from the factory size. The Elite package is the top dog. It has custom powertrain calibration calibration, remote diagnostic services, and comprehensive aftermarket support for other equipment. Regardless of which package you choose, they all come with the Trifecta flash cable. They all include driver selectable vehicle modes that allow you to switch on the fly from 3 profiles: Sport, Eco, and Tow Haul mode. Sport mode offers the best pedal response and swifter downshifts and extended shift points. Sport mode is enabled when the cruise control system is disarmed. On the 2017 through 2021 models, the Sport mode features a detent delete that eliminates the need to mash the gas pedal past the detent to get the maximum acceleration. Eco mode offers the best fuel economy with a less aggressive pedal response and shift points. Eco mode is enabled when the cruise control system is armed. Tow haul mode offers the factory tow haul parameters unaltered by Trifecta. This is to keep the factory towing profile that is useful when hauling heavy loads in the bed or towing a trailer. Advantage Plus and Elite packages for 2017 through 2021 offers the ability to disable AFM in any of the 3 modes or customize it to your liking. All tuning packages gain refined transmission calibration without the need to fully unlock the transmission. This is for the 8-speed transmissions and the 6-speed transmissions. All tuning packages include octane adaptive features that allow for best performance on 91 octane. The vehicle computer will automatically adjust if 87 or 89 octane is used. The vehicle can be returned to stock at any time using the Easy Flash cable and software. Be sure to visit the Trifecta website to see all the details for each tuning package. Lastly, in addition to the Chevy Colorado and GMC Canyon, Trifecta offers tuning for other GM vehicles, including Buick, Cadillac, Chevy cars and SUVs, GMC SUVs, Opel, Pontiac, and Saturn. So I've been driving with the tune on the vehicle now for about a week, just getting used to the new throttle response and the new shifting points in sport mode and eco mode. And from what I can tell, when in sport mode, the truck is an entirely different animal. It's really awesome. The throttle response is fantastic. You don't have to mash the pedal down all the way to get past that detent in the pedal to unlock the full acceleration of the truck. You just have to kind of tip in a little bit further than normal, and boom, right there you get that full acceleration. So it definitely does take some getting used to when driving in sport mode, because it's a different muscle memory than what you're used to. But once you get used to it, it's definitely very favorable. Now in eco mode, when the cruise control is enabled, the truck handles pretty much like it used to as far as throttle response. You're getting some of the benefits of them tweaking with the ECM to get better fuel economy. When you're driving on the highway, doing a long road trip, definitely want to be using that cruise control to get those benefits of the fuel economy. I haven't really tested out the tow haul mode. Like I said, that is going to stay the factory parameters, so there's not really anything changing there. Overall, I'm very pleased with the truck. I think this is how the truck probably should have been tuned from the factory by GM. I definitely like the way the transmission handles now with the tune. It doesn't seem to hunt for gears as much when you're trying to find the right spot. It just knows where to go when you push the pedal, and it's almost immediate. These 8-speed transmissions, yeah, they've had their problems, but they are definitely a fast shifting transmission. And with the Trifecta tune on top of it, they seem to just, it hits that sweet spot and they just know where to go right away. I definitely find myself breaking loose the rear tires when I'm taking off around corners, so my fuel mileage has suffered the last week as I'm getting used to the throttle, you know, that seat of the pants dyno chart. The different packages available for these trucks, the Advantage Plus, and the Elite packages, you know, they all kind of fit different needs for different people. If you just want to get better performance out of your stock GMC Canyon or Chevy Colorado, just stick with the Advantage and you save yourself a couple bucks. Now, if you're the next step up and you have a lift on your truck, but you don't really plan on doing too much more crazy things to it, that Advantage Plus will be good for recalibrating your speedometer. Also with that Advantage Plus, you do get the benefit of disabling AFM in the 3 sport modes. Now, I'll be honest, I've never really had a problem with the AFM in these trucks. It seems to be very, very smooth, seamless. I haven't had an issue with it. I just left that as the standard setting where AFM comes on when the computer thinks it needs to come on. Now, if you want that elite package because you've got a supercharger and a performance intake and a performance exhaust with bigger tires and you've got some custom things going on with your truck, that elite level is what is going to be for you. You can use Trifecta with their diagnostics and find a tune that is perfect for your specific vehicle based on the upgrades that you have. Now, so far I've only been driving the truck on standard 87 octane. I haven't had a chance to fill it up with the premium, but as I mentioned earlier in the video, the tuning that Trifecta uses has a variable octane reading. You can use any octane you want, you'll just get better performance on that higher 91/93 octane, depending on your area. So my final thoughts that I'm going to leave with everyone today: if you're thinking about getting a Trifecta tune for your 2015 plus GMC Canyon or Chevy Colorado, I definitely recommend using Trifecta. They make it easy to tune your vehicle with answering a couple of questions, then getting a couple pieces of information off of your vehicle, sending it over to them, and then they custom tune your vehicle to your VIN. So they really make it easy. Really appreciate them for supporting my channel. Be sure to visit their website, see everything that they have to offer. Also, guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Love it if you subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Later.